Alright guys, it's day 2. Me and my boy Joe, we're gonna try our luck fishing. They say the fishing out here in Bimini is good. We're about to find out. What do you think? What you think we're gonna catch today?
I don't know, hopefully something.
Something, right? Let her bring home. And man, I can't get over this view, guys. This is our front yard, literally. Beautiful. Alright, let's get this show on the road. Beautiful morning, guys. Look at that bottom, guys. You can see everything, literally. You seeing this shit, bro? You see everything, glass. GoPro to GoPro. Basically, we got the rod out. We're trolling a little bit. I know you guys see the land there, right there, but we are literally in 1,000 feet, and I can see land right there. That's the cool thing about Bimini. But I got a little lure out there, little colorful squid, and let's see if we get lucky. Now we're gonna probably hit up anchor up and deep drop. We are only 5 minutes in, so let's see. All right, about 20-30 minutes later. Doesn't feel too big, but at least we got some action. Oh, no, it's still there. Is that a yellowtail? A blue runner? Oh, a mackerel, Good shit. Yeah, good shit. Hold on. I think the whole view of fish. That's a mackerel. That's a good eating right there. It's a mackerel, baby. Good shit, man. That's a decent fish, dude. Here we go. Got a little mackerel. That's a nice eating right there. Good shit, dude.
I'll take it.
Second mackerel, baby. We got the first one. Now we got the second one. Alright guys, so we stopped trolling for a while. We're here deep dropping. Got a little tile fish. A lot of people say these taste really good. I've never eaten them, so I'm about to send them back. Unless you want it. You want it? No? We're good. But hey, we've been out here for maybe an hour, 3 fish in, 3 decent fish. So fishing out here is really good. Guys, if you like tile fish, there's a bunch here. Second one, this one's a lot bigger. But again, not our targeted species, so it's going back in. It's lucky.
Motherfucker's slimy as hell.
Yeah, because they're always in the bottom. They hang out in the bottom. You don't have to grab it by the gills, huh? Straight to the bottom. Ready? Got another tile fish. Yep. Another tile fish. All right guys, so we're calling it a day only because the group of friends that we have, we're gonna head over to Sapona, which is a sunken ship, and catch up with our friends there. All right, we made it here to Sapona. This is a World War I steel ship that ran aground during a hurricane. And as you guys see, everybody's pulling up. The Sambalero tour. There's me at the Busco and everybody else coming. So we're about to get in the water, do some drone footage. It's gonna be nice. About to jump in. Make sure there's no barracudas. I don't see no barracudas. And at least now I feel okay because it probably might bite them first.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright guys, we made it here to the famous Honeymoon Harbor. And it does not disappoint. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. These things are huge. And they do not fear people at all. What's up, Chasing Reef?
¿Ah?
¿Cómo está aquí la cosa?
Miami Living 305 in the house. Aquí estamos en Honeymoon Harbor.
Yep.
Por los duros.
Así mismo.
Yeah.
Bro.
I got the answer. Miami Living 305.
That's a good answer, but my question is, what took you so long to get here, bro?
What took you so long to get here, man? You know what? I think it has to do something with like between the bottom boat.
Este es el canal, este es el canal de YouTube también.
Miami Living 305. Ahorita le voy a dar tarjetita a ustedes.
Sí.
Estamos aquí con el que hizo todo esto posible. Miguel aquí en su esquinita, como ya él sabe, aquí con el shade aquí. Ya tiene el spot cogido. Mira cómo está la cosa.
Haciendo un arrocito con gandules. Aquí tenemos todos los ingredientes. Como pueden ver, todos esos zambaleros trajeron su cocina móvil.
No, hasta yo también, comí shrimp, ¿cómo se llama? Cogí unos pescados ahí que ya los vamos a hacer.
Sí, sí.
Esto está de verdad que fenomenal.
De esto se trata.
Ya yo estaba hablando con mi mujer y yo le dije, quiero venir el weekend pasado y acabo de llegar. El weekend que viene venimos para acá y acabo de llegar. Oye, muchas gracias por todo, bro.
Siempre, papá, siempre.
They already know, dude. They already know, bro. You just bend down. Nah, I'm kind of traumatized with them shit.
You got some bacon.
Si tú se lo pones la boca así, mira.
Oh, ¿por qué fue tan rápido? my camera. Holy shit, that's a view. Macros, we're gonna cut them up so we could keep them nice and cold. They're still cold, so. Everything cut up, ready for some steaks later. Jerry, tossing the heads.
What's up, man?
Sorry, it's not, Bobby.
305.
305. Bien, familia, uno.
Muchacho. Bien, muchacho. Give me 5.
Gracias. Eso es. Michael.
As the day's coming to a close, here at the beautiful Honeymoon Harbor, we're getting ready to head out, picking up everything. Got Chase and Reef over here. Had a great day with them. Picking up Joe over there, picking up the most precious piece of the cargo, the barbecue. Yep. So we're ready to go. Now we're gonna spend the rest of the day at the hotel on the pool and cool off. But man, guys, this is simply amazing. Like, I can't wait to come back again, and I haven't even left yet, so it's awesome. So catch you guys up when we get over there.
Before the day ended, I wanted to drive to the end of the island where there's another shipwreck that has been there for many years, and I wanted to get some drone footage for you guys, so enjoy. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe button. I got one more video coming out on the 3rd day of Bimini where we visit the sunken plane where there was full of lobsters. And then also I include in that video the crossing back from Bimini to Miami. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it wasn't as smooth as it was coming from Miami to Bimini. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned and watch that one next week. If anybody has any questions about traveling to Bimini, shoot them my way and I will answer them to the best of my ability. Until then, guys, bless up.